When we are asked to represent somebody who's been involved in some sort of an injury incident or an injury event, we want to make sure our clients understand the process they're getting into. And initially, the process will involve presenting a claim to the insurance company for the party that's responsible for their injuries. Typically, what happens in the claim process is once somebody comes to me and we agree that they want us to represent them, we will provide notification to however many insurance companies are involved that we are acting on their behalf. At that point in time, we tell our clients, focus on your medical care, focus on getting better. Let us focus on everything else. Let us take that burden and that worry off of you. You worry about getting better. We'll worry about the claim. And so as they receive their medical care and we gather medical records and bills, ultimately what's going to happen is we are going to complete their file, we are going to gather the records, we're going to review them, and we are going to prepare what is called a settlement package or a settlement demand for the insurance company. We're then going to present that to the insurance company, and at that point in time, we hope to come to an agreement with the insurance company to get the case settled. Now, that doesn't always happen. Your recourse then is to file a lawsuit. Now, filing a lawsuit requires filing papers in court, serving those papers on the person who caused the accident. That gets us into the litigation process. And insurance companies have spent a lot of time and a lot of money making people think that people who file lawsuits are greedy and they're bad and they're the drain on society. And that's so far from the truth. It just doesn't deserve any additional time speaking about it here. Filing a lawsuit is your constitutional right. The final straw in any case is a trial in front of a judge or a jury meaning you call in a select number of people from your community. Both sides present their side of the story to those people, and those people get to decide who's right, who's wrong, and how much money should be awarded for your injuries and damages. It can be a long process. It can be a difficult process, but ultimately it's a fair process, and it's important for people to understand exactly what that process is. So along the way, as we have some opportunities to potentially resolve a case, you understand the process and you understand the full menu, and you can make informed decisions about what's best for you and what's best for your case.